Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. Looking at this, it's a fantastic Fundango rocking chair. This thing is a great way to actually relax. Now I'm a bigger guy, I'm into sports, I go to a lot of sports, and guess what? Having a nice, comfortable rocking chair makes a world of difference. You can kick back, get the angle that's right for you, and it's perfect. Even my shorter wife, her feet touch the ground with it, but me, this is absolutely perfect. So if you're looking for a rocking chair, here's one that'll support up to 300 pounds. I'm a big guy, there's no issues here. You can rock back and forth, and a huge advantage here is all these great pockets. You've got 4 pockets on this side, and yeah, you can keep your ice cold beverages over here, probably 4 or 5 of them right over on the side. It zips up, zips tight, and this thing is great for all weather. Now, you know how much I love sitting out on my lanai, sitting out, looking from the back porch over to the lake. Well, this is gonna be a perfect rocking chair for just kicking back and enjoying the weather, enjoying the birds, the ducks, the bird feeder, and everything associated with it. So if you're looking for something that is high quality, something that's easy to put together, well, guess what? This is one that is for you. It comes assembled. Nobody likes furniture that they have to assemble themselves. It's like one step to put this thing together, all right? And it is sturdy, it's good looking, European design, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, if you're looking for a great rocking chair to enjoy, whether it's the soccer game, the football game, you got them bleacher seats at the minor league baseball stadium, this is gonna be absolutely fantastic. And I've told you about a lot of cool products before, but this is my new favorite outdoor chair. It's great for camping. Put this out by the bonfire, and you're gonna have a really good time. So okay folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Oops, I almost forgot. There's a bonus pocket. Yeah, there's a bonus pocket I didn't even see. Right here on the side, you can see a bonus pocket right here that you can keep additional stuff in. So if you're looking for a great chair, Fundango. All right, folks. Now, what are the advantages? This is a strong steel frame that's going to support a lot of weight. You're not going to have to worry if you're a bigger person. It's also ultra wide, right? I'm pushing 230 pounds. I still get 4 to 6 inches on my side here. That's fantastic. This thing fits the back well, it rocks nicely, and it is just very comfortable. So go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. My name's Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that we love. I want to thank you. Thank you for being a friend, going down that lonely road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant. Thanks for watching, and stick around for the up-close portion of the video. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video. First, I want to show you all these pockets. This thing has a great bunch of pockets, including a zipper pocket, and then 1, 2, 3 large pockets, as well as I pointed out in the video that it's got an internal pocket that is the size of the entire thing. So that's fantastic. Now on the other side, you can see another zippered pocket, but this one is insulated, so you can keep your icy cold beverages in here. Stack those cans up inside. You're gonna have a great time with that. It's also ultra lightweight, and that rocking motion will rock a baby to sleep. You can collapse it, throw it over your shoulder, and take it just about anywhere, as it will store away easily. This is a high-grade material that's not going to suffer from dry rot, which is a big advantage. And like I said, even if you're a bigger individual, you're gonna love how this supports you, all right? Now, Fundango, a great company. They originate in Hungary. And yeah, they were a bunch of guys who really liked watching sports together and wanted a good chair for sports. They didn't want a underprivileged chair for their sports and games. Well, this one takes the cake, it rocks your socks, and you're gonna love it. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. Go ahead and pick yours up, you won't be disappointed. Say it with me. Adios, amigos.